it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip was inspired by my assistant Elise, and she used this the other day. She's like, this is a great home tip. I think your followers would absolutely love this. And what it is that she couldn't really get into one of the tight spaces, I believe it was in her kitchen. So it's, sometimes we have those attachments on our vacuum, so just have just a little piece of which you can get into those really tight corners. Well, you can't really get to something like an appliance, like a fridge, get all the way to the back. So instead, what you could do, save your wrapping paper rolls and attach that cardboard roll right to the nozzle of your vacuum, and you just do a little tape around there, and you flatten out the back end. So it's like a bigger version of those little attachments you have. And by flattening out that roll, you're able to get in all these crevices which you probably could not get to before unless you remove the fridge or your dishwasher, etc. So yeah, use wrapping paper rolls and get into all those nooks and crannies. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I'm going to use it next time I vacuum, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, have a great day. Bye for now.